Now let's calibrate the blade and the machine. Start by clicking Settings, then select Parameter Settings. Now scroll down until you see Blade Depth Calibration. Click the red button marked Calibration. Using either a blank sheet of Ballistic Glass privacy or a designated calibration sheet, place it in the machine ready to cut. Remember, you only have to calibrate if you have a new machine or you have changed the blade. Click the button called Initiate Cutting Calibration. Now be careful to count the number of complete cuts made on the bottom of the sheet. If you are using 4-layer films and you later find it does not fully cut through the material, just choose a number 1 or 2 lower than the final clean cut. Here it would be 21 or 20. Select your chosen number on the chart showing on the screen. Then click the red button called Calibration, and you should get a confirmation message. Click the blue X to exit. Congratulations, you are now ready to cut the world's toughest on-demand screen protection.